For anyone who doesn't know me, my name is Avery Forrestal. I am a two-time leukemia survivor, and I'm also a CHaD ambassador. Currently, I am not in New Hampshire. I am in Chicago, Illinois, working as a film director and as a musician, and also furthering my education at Columbia College Chicago. I love it here, but I am definitely missing being at the Warren Miller Film Festival and everything that encapsulates. Obviously, it's very different this year with everything surrounding our world, but I think it brings to light the importance of supporting people in need and people whose health is currently being compromised. They need that rise up, they need that support, and I hope and I pray that you can find it in your heart to give to CHaD Kids and to also support the Warren Miller Film Festival itself. It is a great cause and it means so much. I know as a director and as someone making my own art right now that the Warren Miller films have already influenced how I make my own films. But I just hope that you can find it in your heart to help out in these trying times. I really appreciate you, I love you, and I thank you for taking this time.